In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use music players on Card. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch to your Card website, by letting visitors hear your favorite tracks or include samples of your own music, you're in the right place. Whether you want gentle background sounds, a single standout song, or a full playlist, integrating music into your site can really enhance the experience for anyone who visits. Let's start off by heading over to the Card website. Simply open your browser and visit card.co. Once the homepage opens up, look for the login button in the top right corner and click on it. This will open up a prompt where you can enter your login credentials to access your account. Go ahead and log in as you normally would. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see a list of the sites you've created. Now, choose the website where you'd like to add a music player. Just scroll through your sites and find the one you want to work on. Click on your chosen website to open the site's editing interface. Now that your website is open in the editor, look towards the menu bar. This is where you manage all of your site's design elements. Click on the Add Element or plus icon, which lets you add new content blocks or features to your site. From the list of available elements, select Audio. This is the feature we'll be using to embed your music player. A new audio element will appear on your site. To set it up, you need to provide a link to your music. In the URL field, paste the direct link to the track or playlist you want to share. Card supports a wide range of host sites for audio, such as Audiomack, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. Make sure your link comes from one of these supported platforms and use the exact link format that Card requires for proper playback. If you're not sure, you can always check Card's help documentation for more details on supported sources. If you want your music to play continuously as visitors browse your site, look for the option that says Allow background play and make sure to check it. This means your audio won't stop each time someone navigates to a different section or page on your site. Once you've entered your audio link and adjusted the background play setting to your liking, click Done to save your changes. You'll see your music player element appear in the editor and you can drag it anywhere you'd like it to be placed on your page. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, go back to the menu bar and click the Publish button. Then click Publish Changes to make your updates live on the web. Now, when visitors come to your Card site, they'll be able to listen to your selected audio right from your page. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize music players on your Card website. This simple addition can really make your website more dynamic and memorable. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your sounds with the world on Card.